Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be sharing with you how I have made this perfect phulka using the ceramic hob that I have in UK. So I thought this will be of little help to you. So here I have made a nice fine dough with the wheat flour, the whole wheat flour which I have used. I will be showing you how to make this yummy, soft, absolutely swelled phulka, and also sharing some tips and tricks which will help you to get this lovely phulka. I'm just rolling the chapati or the phulka into a nice round, not very thick, not very thin, round chapati. And now I'm placing my tawa. So make sure that the tawa is heated up to a medium heat. Keep your hob temperature at about 7 to 8 or between 6 to 7 at this point, and then reduce the temperature to about 4 to 5, which is the medium heat. Then keep roasting the chapati. Flip and roast it till you get the small brown spots on both the sides, and then we will know that it is ready for the chapati to go into the hob directly. And now I will just put the chapati directly into the hob using this toaster that I have got, and see, wow, see the magic, how we have got the absolutely swelled up ball which will be so soft. Believe me, it is really soft, fluffy and tasty. So here I'm making this second one in the same way. We will use the same process and make all the phulkas, which will be tasty, soft. Follow these tricks and tips and I'm sure you will be able to get these soft, yummy phulkas every day. Enjoy these with your favorite curries and gravies, and definitely let me know once you have tried how it came out for you all.